Assalamualaikum. Hi, I'm Uncle Asni. Today, I would like to teach you how to connect your Arduino board, okay, to your Chromebook. Okay, you have to use a software called MBLOCK. Okay, how to do this? Okay, right. First of all, you must make sure that you are logged in into your own account. What that means? Can you see this time button? You can see this time at the lower right hand corner of your Chromebook. You just press this thing, and you can see on this icon, when you hover your mouse on this icon, you can see whether you are logged in into your account or not. Okay, you can see it in this example. This Chromebook is logged in into Soleha's account. If not, you have to sign out and sign in again as your accounts. You have to key in your email and your password. Okay. For example, if you are logged in into the guest account, you have to log out from guest and sign in again using your own account. That's the important thing that you have to do. Okay. Okay. Now, how to do the next thing? Can you see this launcher button is located on the lower left hand corner of your Chromebooks. You have to press this round button and press this up button, and from the list you can see a lot of installed programs in your Chromebook. Okay, one of it is MBLOCK. It's over here. You can simply press on this MBLOCK button. Okay, so it may take some time, so make sure your internet is very fast. It seems that we need to enable flash. Okay, don't worry. What you need to do is, can you see this button? Can you see this flash was blocked on this page? Can you see this red X button? Okay, you have to press this thing and press manage. And you must slide this button to your right. Okay, make sure these things turn into blue. Okay, just drag this thing. Okay, now it's okay. It's in blue. Okay, make sure you are setting it as us first. Okay, and then you can press this X button. All right, and then you have to press this enable flash. Okay, and there's another pop-up dialog box that is shown. You have to allow also, and you just hang on. It's going to be loading. Okay, Alhamdulillah, is being loaded now. Okay, once you are in this MBLOCK screen, what do you have to do next? Okay, don't worry. Okay, first you have to make sure you are choosing Arduino boards. Okay, what you have to do is you have to go over here, and you can see this down button, down arrow, and you have a lot of boards over here. You have to choose Arduino UNO. Okay, you have to choose Arduino UNO and make sure Arduino UNO appear here, because we are using this Arduino UNO board. Okay, you can see this Arduino UNO board. Okay, so make sure this thing is Arduino UNO. After that, you must make sure you have this USB cable. Is a normal cable. Okay, and the thing is, you have to connect this thing to your USB port of your Chromebook. Okay, press this thing. Okay, you have to press it carefully into your USB port, and after that you have to press connect. Press connect, and make sure you choose this USB. Okay, USB, and press connect once again. And you are connected. Can you see it's in green in color? So your UNO board is being connected and is being lighted up. Okay, cool. Okay, the next thing is how to use these blocks. Okay, how to use it to control, to upload programs to program this Arduino board. Okay, the first thing is there's a lot of board over here. The one that interests me is in these robots. Okay, we have all these Arduino programs and all that. So we are going to control LED. We are going to control LED. You know what's an LED? LED is a small light, just like this. You can see this LED light is a light. Okay. Set digital pin 9 as high. And I want you to change this pin 9 into pin 13. Okay, pin 13. You know what's pin 13 of digital on this Arduino board? If you look into my videos last time, we have learned about the digital I/O, digital input output connectors. Okay, you can see it from here. Okay, you can see one of the pin is pin 13. Okay, so pin 13 is basically is we are going to control the built-in LED. Okay, built-in LED, because every Arduino board have their own LED on this board itself. So pin 30 is connected to the built-in LED. Okay, actually we can use other things, other LED also, but in the meantime, we are going to use digital pin 13 digital connectors in order to control the built-in LED. So what it means by high? High is we are sending signal to this digital pin of 13. We are sending signals. That means we are going to light up the LED. Okay. So the next thing, we go into this control and we wait for 1 second. Okay. And we go into robots again, and you can see this set digital pin 9 output as high again. You just drag another one over here. Okay. And then after this, you have to set this thing as low. And make sure you change this pin into pin 13. So what it means that we are instructing the UNO to turn off the LED because this is low. Okay, the thing that is connected to pin 13 or the inbuilt LED will be turned off by using this low instruction. Okay, and after this, we are going to control this thing and repeat this thing 10 times. You still remember this is a loop, so we are going to repeat this on, wait for 1 second, off, and then we go to another one. We go to the next one the second time, high, low, 10 times. That means the LED will be turning on and off 10 times. Okay, let's see what is going to happen. Okay, the thing is we need to have something that triggers this thing. Okay, so I'm going to use this event. Okay, I'm going to drag this when click button and put it on top of this. So what I'm going to do is when I click this green flag, this thing will happen. So this thing is a trigger, some sort of a switch to make this thing happen. So let's see what happens. All right. Okay, I'm going to press this thing. Okay, I'm going to press this green button, green flag. Can you see the LED? It's quite dim, but it's going to blink on and off 10 times. Okay, see? Okay, after 10 times, it's going to stop. So, here you are. It's your first Arduino UNO programs. Okay, congratulations.